Welcome to MVSC Concept Chemistry. Dear students, today I am giving easy trick to write IUPAC nomenclature. What is the easy trick? Students, just follow this formula to write IUPAC nomenclature. So what is that formula? Prefixes, root word, suffixes. So prefixes. What are the prefixes? These are mainly classified into two types. That are the primary prefixes is nothing but cyclohexane, cyclopentane, cyclopropane, like this it will come, students. Next, secondary prefixes. Students, these are the secondary prefixes. Alkyl groups which are not included in the root word will come under prefixes. Suppose CH3 is there, methyl, 2 carbon atoms are there, ethyl, 3 carbon atoms are there, propyl, 4 are there, butyl. Like this we will give names. Next, OR, alkoxy, methoxy, ethoxy. These names we will write in the prefix. Nitro, halo, these names we will write before the root word. Students, in the given organic compound, carbon chain is saturation, only single bond is there, these substituents are there, then give the numbering like these substituents should get the lowest possible number. Okay, suppose in the given compound double bond is there, these substituents are there, then give the numbering from double bond to longest carbon chain. Double bond should get the lowest possible number. Like this, you select the longest carbon chain. Suppose triple bond is there also, same like that. We will select the longest carbon chain. Triple bond should get the lowest possible number. So from triple bond onwards, we will give the numbering. Okay, like suppose in the given compound, students, main functional groups, principal functional groups also included. Then these functional groups should get the lowest possible number. From there onwards, we will give the select the longest carbon chain. We will give the numbering. So principal functional groups is the first priority. These should get the lowest possible number. Next, primary suffixes should get the lowest possible number. Next, last priority we will give to the prefixes.